Okay, to pick this up where I left off, I was on the yellow. This yellow down at the bottom here, this one here. We're trying to get this, oh, that's terrible, this column here, which I put in yellow. That's going to confuse it with the other yellow, so let's switch it to, how about dark blue? That might work better anyway. 5, there we go. Okay, 5. So we're now going to get this column here, which I had highlighted in pink before, because that's the next conjunction that connects a premise together. And so for this one, again, you're going to have to compare it to the last step you did to the left, which was step 4, and then the last step you did to the right, which was step 3 in green. So I'm comparing column 4, which is the burgundy one, and column 3, which is in green. And because column 4 is all F's, it's impossible to get 2 T's. So this conjunction column will all be F's. Which brings me to my very last step, and that is this one here. This is my final step. And I don't know, what color have I not used? I've used orange and green. I guess I'll do this one in this yellow. Okay, so this is step 6 and is my final step. Put that in a square. And to get this one, you're doing an if-then, okay? And it's going to be if the last step I did over here was this blue highlighted with pink. So I'm going to be going if that column, and then this column. And if then, the only time you get a false on an if then is when it's if true, then false. But none of the stuff in the blue, step 5 here, these are all if falses. I don't have one that's an if true. So that means all of these have to be true. Which means this is a tautology and it is valid. So you come over here and you're like, hey, it's valid. And that is the end of number 15.